Are you ready to create your first copywriting portfolio example in just 15 minutes? Today, you're not just learning, you're doing, because in this video, we'll be going through a real-world assignment and creating a portfolio example together. So by the end of this video, you'll have a complete, ready-to-use example for your portfolio. Now, the one thing that stops many beginner copywriters from creating a portfolio example is that they don't know what to write, they don't have any experience, or they don't have any clients yet. But the truth is, you don't need any of those things to create a portfolio. So, to make things easier for you, I'm giving you an actual assignment that includes a product, a target audience, a type of copy, and word count for you to follow. So the way this works is I'm going to read the assignment, and then there'll be 15 minutes that you and I will spend writing together. And when you're done, I want you to post what you've written in the comment section below this video because I'd love to read it. So let me start by explaining the assignment to you, and then we'll get to writing. The copywriting assignment is to write a product description for noise cancelling headphones. Now, the product name will be the Quiet Traveler. The product category is noise cancelling headphones, and the target audience are digital nomads. The type of copy is a product description, and the word count can be anywhere from 100 to 200 words. The tone and style should be modern and friendly, and the key points to include are the product features that highlight the noise cancelling capabilities, sound quality, comfort, durability, battery life, and lightweight design. The lifestyle benefits should be where you connect the product to the digital nomad lifestyle, focusing on how it enhances productivity and relaxation in different environments like co-working spaces, cafes, and during travel. The call to action is to invite the readers to click buy and purchase their headphones for $79. So I want you to grab a pen, a notepad, or your computer, find a quiet space, and then set your phone timer for 15 minutes. Let's get started writing. All right, are you done? If not, no worries. You can always pause this video and continue writing. But if you are done, post what you've written in the comments below this video. I'd love to read it. And of course, save your work and upload it to Google Drive as your first portfolio example. You can also check out what I've written in the video description below. I'm posting my example there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.